Welcome to another video from your friends here at Altitude University. We are always excited to hear about another member of our community earning their Part 107. The excitement is almost always followed by the question of where to find their first gig. In today's video, we're going to discuss tips for getting your first flying gig in the real estate industry. Before we begin, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons so we can continue to provide you with more drone-related content. If you have an idea for a topic you'd like us to discuss, make sure to leave a comment below. Breaking into real estate photography market as a drone pilot can be a thrilling and profitable venture. Real estate agents and sellers increasingly recognize the value of aerial photography in showcasing properties. Studies show that properties marketed with aerial photography are much more likely to sell than those without drone images and videos. In this video, we'll guide you through securing your first real estate photography gig, detailing the types of opportunities available, marketing strategies, important organizations to connect with, and the crucial role of having a strong demo reel and portfolio. We'll start with identifying a few types of real estate gigs available for drone pilots. Residential real estate photography. This includes capturing aerial views of homes, gardens, and neighborhoods. These products are ideal for listings and promotional material. Commercial real estate photography. The real estate industry is much bigger than just places we live. We work, study, eat, and relax in commercial properties of all sorts. Just like homes, commercial properties need pictures too. Photographing larger properties like office buildings, retail complexes, or industrial sites from unique aerial perspectives can be a lucrative opportunity. Luxury property showcases. High-end properties often require more artistic and detailed aerial shots to highlight their unique features and landscapes. You'll definitely need to be good at what you do when photographing a multi-million-dollar property. But if you have what it takes, luxury real estate photography can make you a lot of money. Land development photography. This type of photography is useful for investors, developers, and architects, showcasing land parcels, construction progress, and the surrounding environment. This is my favorite type of real estate photography. I often get to photograph vacant land well off the grid for investors and various agencies. Every time I head out to film vacant land in the middle of nowhere, it feels like getting paid to go on an outdoor adventure. Now that we have identified just a few of the many types of real estate photography available, let's discuss how to market yourself. Here are a few quick tips to point you in the right direction. Create a professional website. Your website should showcase your best work, services offered, and contact information. Ensure it's SEO optimized to appear in relevant search results. Leveraging social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn are perfect for displaying your work and connecting with real estate professionals. Make sure to have a strong presence on at least one of these sites. It becomes a great place to direct people you meet who are interested in your work. Networking. Attend real estate and drone industry events. Word-of-mouth referrals are powerful in the real estate sector. There are many conventions held each year within these industries worth attending. The conferences take place all over the country, but don't forget to look for local events. For example, many real estate agents give free seminars on home buying. Attending one of these won't cost you anything and can open a lot of doors for you. You may want to consider collaborations with real estate agents. Offer to do a free or discounted shoot for a real estate agent in exchange for referrals or testimonials. As a former real estate agent in California, I can assure you that many agents work for brokers with numerous agents under them. Providing service to one agent could connect you to dozens more. Use online marketplaces and forums. Websites like droners.io or SkyTango can connect you with potential clients. When using these sites, make sure to have a fully developed portfolio and profile. If you go down this route, don't forget to look at the fees each site charges. Part of getting real estate gigs depends on how good a pilot and photographer you are. It also depends on how well you know real estate. Here are a few organizations to join or follow so you can stay on top of the industry. First is the National Association of Realtors. This organization offers networking opportunities and insights into the real estate market. You'll need a real estate license to join NAR, but they have lots of free information for everyone on their website. Next, the Professional Photographers of America. PPA provides resources and community supports for photographers. They offer insurance, educational materials, certifications, and legal help to photographers for a small monthly fee. Another great organization is the Real Estate Photographers of America and International. As you probably guessed from the name, this is an organization specifically for real estate photography professionals. The organization has been connecting photography buyers with real estate photographers since 2010. So, you've got some ideas on how to find clients and some organizations to help you on your quest for that first gig or to get more gigs if you're already flying. Now, before we jump into getting that gig, you want to make sure you have a strong demo reel and portfolio. A demo reel showcases your ability to capture stunning aerial photography and highlights your unique style and expertise. You can easily put one of these together on your own. We'll add a link at the end of this video with our guide to building a demo reel for your hometown. The bottom line is that with a good demo reel, you can easily sell your services to real estate agents. The same goes for a portfolio. A professional portfolio reassures clients of your proficiency and reliability. Include a range of properties and shoots in your portfolio to show versatility. You can do this with commercial properties or just ask a friend or family member if you can use their house for it. Regularly update your portfolio with your latest and best work to keep it relevant. When all this is taken care of, you're ready to start finding gigs. Our favorite approach is to start local. Contact local real estate agents or agencies and offer your services. Offer a unique selling proposition. Whether it's your artistic approach, quick turnaround time, or competitive pricing, have something that sets you apart from the competition. Your town reel is a great way to do this. After initial contact, follow up with potential clients to keep your services on their mind. Be careful not to be a nuisance, but show them you want to be their photographer and that you have the skills to do it. You'll start seeing those real estate gigs come in faster than you think. Securing your first real estate photography gig as a drone pilot involves a blend of skill, marketing savvy, and networking. Understanding the diverse opportunities in the real estate market, presenting a polished and diverse portfolio, and actively engaging with industry professionals are the key steps towards success. Remember, each gig is an opportunity to build your reputation and network, propelling you further into the exciting world of real estate drone photography. We hope you liked today's video. From all of us at Altitude University, stay safe out there and happy flying.